I missed all that.
Well, it's going to be still forward. Breeze is still, it's supposed to be going right. So we got to hit this flag and then we're going. Well, I mean, we're going to square back. Straight up. Straight up. Over here with it. Outside. Pop her up over the base floor. I'll pull them down a little bit, pop her down, center on. Guy on. That's the speed, baby. Body left. It's gonna be short rib left. Let her eat, that's too tight. Easy. Pull back. Pull back. If there's any reason that shoe needs to be taken. Just a little bit. Hold the pole, get the feet right first. That's it, hold that. And then you just hold it back up. Upward and down. Grab it. Doesn't look good. Look at it. No, I said I want sheet used to even glue. Alright, now Richard, can you come back to the other side? Are these dummies? Gotta keep it moving. Gotta keep it rumbling. Use the vein. Fork rounding or starboard? Maybe starboard, but I can never do it. Upward and up. Yeah, use the down all the way off. Down or off. Let the down run free for now. Just be ready to catch it when you get it there. That's good. Use the main. Shit. Any more? I'm pull back. I'm gonna try and come up a little bit just for clean air and position. Moderate rain starting in 20 minutes. Technology. Pull forward, help you. When you hear him rip like that, you gotta let it forward just a touch. Try to get this top tight. Go where you're not supposed to. Go where it's really uncomfortable. Yeah. Make sure you try to get all of it. Pretty work. More pressure coming. More reaction. Get the more pull back. Just wait for it there. Not yet. Not yet. Wait for it. Starboard. Big puff here. 2, 1 puff. Get all of it. A little more puff. 3, 2, 1. Be ready to drive forward. Put down a little bit out of this puff. There's another puff on the back side there. It's on you. Square the pole back. This is just a lull. There's more breeze on the other side of it. Pull forward. Pull forward back. You start trimming in, pull forward. Now we can probably go a little back. We're going to do this douse nice and early since we're short man, right? Whoever's trimming the jib, we're going to douse before the round. Okay, so we're going to go jib up, tight down, and then we're going to jibe. Yes. Little strap on the kite, just a little bit.
Hold out. Yeah, when we say tight down, somebody's got to grab the sheet, active sheet that I got, pull it in, so we get the foot in. I'm going to lock it here.
Now make it feel dirty.
Tension on the jib house.
Increase coming in 3. Let's go jib a third of the way up. Always jib a third of the way up. It's red. Third of the way up. Somebody say, look, third of the way up.
You calling the douse?
Yeah, I'll call it.
We gotta go jib up first.
Yeah, we gotta go jib up first. We go jib up. We can send it. Fucking send it.
Jib up.
Send it. Don't tight, not tight on the jib sheets right now. Just lock it off for a second. Just lock that. Lock it off. Lock it on the kin. All right, let's go ahead and take it.
Are you guys ready?
Take it. Break the guy. And drop the pole as soon as possible, Cliff. We need to be clear to attack. Or clear to jog. Get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in. Here comes the jog. Somebody back on the runner. Back on the runner, somebody? That's you, Joe. Or somebody. Ready? 3, 2, rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it. Dump, 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 dump. All the way in, all the way in. In. Start. Take this. Back. Zone trim. Come back to trim. Right in, right on. Leaks line on. Let's get us one more first. 3. Go ahead and take up on that runner, Richard. 1. Break. We're going right back here. Y'all ready? Everybody ready?
Yep. Start to take in, Richard.
3, 2, 1.5. Break. That halyard needs to go up. Ease the jib sheet, take the halyard up.
This guy. Got a sheet. Ready, clip?
You ready to dump the sheet? Then take the halyard
Ready,
up.
clip? 1, 2, 3, dump the sheet. That you take, ready, easy. Clip, come on. You're gonna have to grind it, brother. Yeah, you're gonna have to grind that.
Alright, that's good. Back in. We clear on the mark, Joe?
Clear.
Where is it? No. Clear. Alright, turn to me. Turn to me. We're a little off the breeze. Trap up.
So I just want to stay there and trim.
Yeah.
We're good on the weight. Where are we at on top? So lead lock back. Give me a smidge. The outside side even. Inside is breaking up even. Yeah, that's better right there.
Big puff coming.
Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it comes. Two tops. Take it free.
Ease sheet a little. Ease jib a little.
Ready in 5,
Back on.
4,
These puffs.
3, 2, 1. Puff on, tense. Better now. Hold that. V8.
Joking in. Hold that.
Those puffs come on in about 8. Going on in 5,
We're off the breeze, so it makes sense that the lead block would have to go further forward now.
yeah, it's about 45. There you go, right there. Yeah. Full top, close, come on. 3, 2, 1. Go, here we go.
Are they breaking? start on the Genoa. Close hold.
You want Genoa? Roll here.
Where are we at? 5, maybe 5 inches?
Give me right now.
Try 6.
6. Press on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Become construction when we're in. We're all breaking even right now.
Alright, bring me in the close hold. Where are we at? 3?
3 now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it on.
Someone call the ass whooping. Alright, let's drop that jib. Numero uno, por favor. Nice work, man. Nice work. Yeah, that's great. That's awesome. That's good. Good job on the whole boat. Dump the sheet and then how you're Here comes the storm. Nice work.
Nice moves, nice moves.
Nice work, man. Everybody.
Nice moves, guys.
That was a big dub. That was a big dub.
That was a big dub.
Yes.
Definitely solid dub.
Did anyone see how many lengths we had? They were racing close to
Probably another 5 or 6 on what we got now.
We owed them 7 seconds.
We definitely got them. We're definitely more than 7 seconds. Maybe like 10.
All right.
Here's here.
Victory lap. Here.
Are we about to get a rainstorm? Check the radar first. I think we're about to get a fucking rainstorm.
So you don't want to get wet?
I mean, I'm all about drinking beers.
I can drink beer today, so yeah.
All right. And fucking victory lap.
James racing us in.
I'll leave your beer here.
Go up.
Come on.
Although my shirt's
Takachino coming up.
we got the water.
Another wrap on?
Yeah.
Good race.
That's the first race of the summer series.
Yep. First race of the summer series.
That was fantastic.